Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we have a very special treat for you. We're not going to be reviewing a guitar. Please don't stop watching. We're actually going to be reviewing a banjo. Please, again, don't stop watching. This is a very cool banjo from the folks at Ohm Banjos in Boulder, Colorado. But before we get into this banjo, please sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Click the link below. You will be so happy you did so, especially if you like guitars, acoustic guitars, really cool acoustic guitars. On to the Ohm North Star Resonator Banjo. This particular banjo totally won my heart. This is the second one we've had in the shop. Actually, I think it might be the third. And the first one I loved so much, I wrote a review, sent it to Banjo Newsletter, and it was featured in their publication, which I was totally thrilled with, and I thought the world needed to know about this cool banjo. This banjo, the Ohm North Star Resonator Banjo, was built in Boulder, Colorado by the folks at Ohm Banjos, and it is very interesting in that it doesn't follow the traditional recipe of a banjo. This particular resonator banjo is made for bluegrass style, but it does not have a bell brass tone ring, which most banjos do have. Most bluegrass banjos do have. It actually just has a solid 3-ply maple tone ring, which contributes a wonderfully warm tone and actually cuts down a little bit on the edginess that a bell bronze tone ring can offer. This banjo also features aged brass hardware, which looks incredible. Both the tension hoop and the lugs are aged brass. We have a nice, very extremely comfortable wooden tailpiece. We have Ohm's proprietary sweet tone tailpiece. We have a beautiful ebony fingerboard with small dot inlays and a nice star clear up close to the banjo head. We have a tung oil finished headstock, ebony overlay with Ohm and a fancy kind of flourish inlay. We have planetary tuners with an aged look on a beautiful curly maple neck and a beautiful curly maple resonator stained in a dark kind of a cherry color. Again, this instrument, although it does not follow the traditional recipe of a bluegrass banjo, pretty much knocks the socks off any bluegrass banjo. It'll certainly project, it'll certainly punch through a jam, and it is, again, one of my personal favorites. So we're going to give this thing a play so you can hear what the Ohm North Star Resonator Banjo sounds like. Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.